How often should I have my carpets professionally cleaned? The general recommendation for professional carpet cleaning is every 6 months, but that does depend on several factors. For example, let's say you have a spare room that basically no one uses. That won't need to be cleaned very often. On the other hand, if you have a busy living room and kids and pets, you're going to need that room cleaned much more often. Still, a good general rule is twice a year. Then the question becomes, who should I choose? OxiFresh Carpet Cleaning. We offer a deep cleaning system that dries fast and uses green products. We'll get your home looking and feeling great with ease. So book your appointment today at 1-877-OXIFresh. That's 1-877-OXI-FRESH, or schedule online at www.oxifresh.com.